question answer session of the chapter Practical Geometry. So let us start some question based on this chapter. So the first question is, draw a line, say L, take a point P outside it. Now through P draw a line parallel to L using ruler and compass only. So first work will be to draw a line L. So let us draw a line L. This is line L. The next part is we have to take a point P outside it. Outside means anywhere else except this line. So I am taking a point P here. After that we have to draw a line parallel to L, which is passing through this point P. So what we have to do, first work is to make a perpendicular from point P on point L. What we have to do, we have to keep the compass on point P and we have to cut line L in 2 points. Now keep the compass in the first point, make one arc like this. Same way, keep the needle over here in the second point and cut the first arc. Now what you will get one point here. Now join point P. Okay. After that, this line is perpendicular to line L. What we have to do, we have to make a parallel line. So we will keep the needle of the compass on point P. We will mark 2 points here and here. Now keep the compass on the first point and here. Okay. What you will get? You will get one point. Just join this point and point P. You will get a line CM. Now line L will be parallel to line M. To the second question. The question is, draw a line L. Draw a perpendicular to L at a point on L. On this perpendicular, choose a point A 3.5 cm away from line L. Now through A, draw a line M parallel to L. So the first work will be to draw a line L. I have drawn a line L. Next part, draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. So let us take here is a point. We have to draw a perpendicular on L from this point. What we will do, take one compass, put a needle on this point, mark 2 points on the same line, increase the length of the compass little bit and make 2 arcs which cut each other at a point. Now join this point and this one. What you will get? You will get a perpendicular. Now next is, it is given on this perpendicular, choose a point A 3.5 cm away from line A. 3.5 centimeter away from line L. This is 3.5 centimeter. We will mark it on the perpendicular. Now this will be point A. Now through A, draw a line M parallel to L. Same method we will do. We will keep the needle on point A. We will mark two arcs on the perpendicular. Increase the length of the compass little bit. Come to the first point. Make one arc. Come to the second point. Make another one. What you will get? You will get a point here. Okay. Now just join this point and point A. What you will get? Suppose it is line M. Line L will be parallel to line M. Next question is, construct a triangle PQR given that PQ is equal to 5.4 centimeter, QR is equal to PR equal to 4.7 centimeter. Now you have to name the triangle. Since we can see in this question QR is equal to PR, that means two sides are equal, so we can say it is an isosceles triangle. So let us start drawing the triangle. So first work we have to do, you have to put the line. Like PQ is 5.4 centimeter. 5.4 centimeter. This is PQ. Next, QR and PR equal to 4.7 centimeter. So let us draw 4.7 centimeter. This is line. QR, also PR. So one side we have to take as a base. So let us take PQ as a base. Measure the length of PQ. Okay, and cut the line. So this point will be P, this point will be Q. You can directly put the line here by measuring with your scale. Okay, just mark the length of 5.4 centimeter PQ. Okay, now next we have to draw two sides QR and PR, both of same measure, that is 4.7. So what we will do, we will measure this line 4.7 centimeter. First come to point P, make one arc, then come to point Q, make second arc. They will cut each other at one point. What you have to do, just join point P and this point Q and this point. What you will get? Point R. Write the measure. It is of 4.7 centimeter. It is of 4.7 centimeter, and PQ is of 5.4 centimeter. In the question it is given to name the triangle. So what type of triangle it will be? If two sides are equal, it will be an isosceles triangle. Question is, construct a triangle LMN such that length of each side is 5.3 centimeter. You have to name the triangle. So by the question we can understand that if the length of all sides of a triangle are equal, then it will be an equilateral triangle. So let us draw the triangle. It is given each side is of 5.3 centimeter. So first we will draw a line of measure 5.3 centimeter. Next, since all sides are of equal length, we simply measure this line only and we will make the first arc and make the second arc. You will get a point. Just join these 2 points and this one also. What you will get? An equilateral triangle. So let us name the triangle LMN. The question is, construct a triangle PQR given that PQ is equal to 3 cm, QR is equal to 5.5 cm and angle PQR is equal to 60 degree. So first of all, we have to draw a line PQ of 3 cm. This is line PQ of measure 3 cm. Now from point Q we have to draw an angle of 60 degree. So put the needle on point Q, make one arc like this, and cut that arc. You will get a point. You have to join point Q like this way. A measure of QR is given 5.5 centimeter. Now measure QR with the help of your compass and cut this line. You will get point R here. Now join PR. It will be your triangle. Construct triangle DEF such that DE equal to 5 cm, DF is equal to 3 cm and angle EDF equal to 90 degree. So first of all, we will draw DE is equal to 5 cm. DE 5 cm. Now from DE, from point D, we have to construct an angle of 90 degree. So put the needle on point D. Make one arc like this way, 60 degree, 120 degree. If you bisect 60 degree and 120 degree, we will get angle of 90 degree. So this point we have got. Now this is 90 degree angle. Now we have to cut DF of measure 3 cm. So draw a line DF. DF of measure 3 cm. Measure DF with the help of your compass and put the needle on point D and cut the perpendicular, or you can say 90 degree. This point will be F. Now join E and F. Question is, construct an isosceles triangle in which the length of each of its equal sides is 6.5 centimeter and angle between them is 110 degree. So what you have to do, let us draw a rough diagram for it. This is the diagram of an isosceles triangle in which these two sides are equal. The angle between them is 110 degree. This is 6.5 and this one is also 6.5 centimeter. So what we have to do, we have to take any one of this side as a base. So let us take a line of measure 6.5 centimeter. Now with the help of protractor, we have to draw an angle of 110 degree. So with the help of protractor, I have drawn an angle of 110 degree. Now since it is an isosceles triangle, so we will measure the same line. Okay, and we will cut this line. Now simply join these 2 points to make a triangle. The measure of this line is also 6.5 centimeter. Now they have said to measure the base angle, so we will measure it. Whatever measure will be there, you have to write here. Question is, construct a triangle PQR given that PQ is equal to 4.9 centimeter, angle P 45 degree and angle Q is equal to 60 degree. So let us draw a rough diagram. P, Q, R. In question it is given angle P equal to 45 degree, angle Q 60 degree. So and value of PQ is 4.9 centimeter. So let us draw a line PQ of measure 4.9 centimeter. Now from P we have to construct an angle of 45 degree. So for that we have to draw 90 degree first. -60 degree, 120 degree, 90 degree. Now if we bisect 0 and 90 degree, we will get 45 degree. Join these 2 points. This is 45-degree angle. Now from Q we have to draw an angle of 60 degree. Same method we will apply. Put the needle in point Q and draw an arc. This one is 60 degree. Now this point is point R. Construct a right angled triangle whose hypotenuse is 6 cm long and one of the legs is 4 cm long. So let us draw a rough diagram. This is a right angled triangle. Hypotenuse is given 6 cm and one of the leg is given 4 cm. So we have to take base as 4 cm. So first of all we will draw base of measure 4 cm. Now from this point we have to draw an angle of 90 degree. $60, 120, this is 90 degree. Hypotenuse is given 6 cm. So we will draw a line of 6 cm here. Measure this line. And cut the perpendicular. This point you have got here. Now join these 2 points. Four centimeter, 6 cm hypotenuse, and this is right angled.